And a man accused of repeatedly raping his own granddaughters is out of jail tonight. How did that happen? Good evening. A Rio Rancho man arrested last week and charged with 42 counts of child rape is free tonight.
58-year-old Kenneth Elliott still faces charges for allegedly raping his 3 granddaughters. But News 13 has learned that he literally got out of jail free yesterday. Jim Winchester's been asking why. Jim?
Well, Dick, many questions tonight, but very few answers as to why Elliott, who was arrested on a no-bond hold, was released without having to pay a penny for bail.
Kenneth Elliott and his wife had custody of their 3 granddaughters, ages 8, 8, and 9. The girls claimed he repeatedly raped them over the past 2 years, sometimes while their grandmother was asleep in the same bed. Elliott was arrested last Thursday, but today News 13 obtained this document showing that he was released just 2 days ago with only a promise to return to court when scheduled. He also can't have any contact with his family. The release contradicts the original no-bond hold arrest warrant. We attempted to ask Sandoval County Magistrate Court Judge Delilah Montano Baca what's behind that logic. She signed the arrest warrant and the release order.
Judge, I'm with Channel 13. I just want to ask you about Kenneth Elliott. Can I ask you a question, Judge? Can I ask you about Kenneth Elliott? I just want to know the procedure for the release of recognizance.
No answer there, so we went to the Sandoval County Detention Center to ask why Elliott was released. An official there would only comment over telephone and referred the question back to the court.
That has to come from the court. You guys really can't comment on that right now. Okay, all you guys do is hold them.
Elliott's 3 granddaughters are now in state custody. No one answered at the Elliott household, but neighbors are certainly upset about Kenneth Elliott's swift release.
It would be very disturbing, particularly if I had kids or grandkids.
And the legal system, that they got these loopholes and everything that people fall through, and, you know, it's ridiculous.
Well, since his release, Kenneth Elliott had been staying at a campground in Rio Rancho. Now, we went to that campground today. The manager told us that he kicked Elliott out yesterday once he heard of the charges and the quick release. Stick back to you.
All right, Jim. New Mexico law requires that anyone arrested have a hearing to determine probable cause within 72 hours. Magistrate court would not answer when we asked if the 72-hour deadline was missed in this case. We will keep pressing.